In a peaceful little village, there lived a kind and curious boy named Ali. Whenever the crescent moon of Ramadan appeared in the night sky, Ali felt a special happiness in his heart. Every morning during Ramadan, he woke up for sahuri with his mother, rubbing his sleepy eyes but smiling proudly because he wanted to try
Sleepy
fasting
Habibi,
like the adults.
Sehri is almost
During the
ready.
day, he would go to the mosque with his
My
father,
sweet
make small
boy.
prayers, and try to do good deeds. At iftar time, when the call to prayer echoed through the village and everyone broke their fast with dates and water, Ali felt warmth and joy with his family. One day, he
Iftar is
shared a piece
ready.
of bread with a
Looks
poor child
wonderful.
outside his home, and that small act filled his
Oh,
heart with
thank
kindness.
you.
You're
Later that
welcome.
night, while sitting
Enjoy it.
beside his
It's
grandmother under the
delicious.
soft glow of a lantern, Ali looked at
See
the
how the
shining
flame
moon and
dances?
asked,
It tells
"Grandma,
stories.
why
What
does
stories,
Ramadan go
Grandma?
away so
Of the
quickly?"
night sky
His
and our
grandmother
dreams.
smiled gently and
See the
replied,
light, my
"My
dear?
dear
It holds
child,
our stories.
Ramadan is
It's
like a
so
blessed
warm,
guest sent
Grandma.
by
It
Allah.
is. It lights
Guests
our
stay
way.
for a short time, but they leave behind beautiful lessons and good habits." Ali looked up at the moon, raised his hands in prayer, and whispered softly, "Allah, please bring Ramadan again soon. I promise I will keep doing good things." And at that moment, Ali understood that even when Ramadan ends, its light stays forever in the hearts of those who continue to do good.